Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use the Pinescript editor to create your own first trading system in the Tradingview platform. So let's go and pull up the Pine editor over here. I'm going to go to the Pine editor and I want to replace this study and plot. I'm going to remove it and I'm going to keep the at version equal to 4. That is the compiler version, which is using the recent TradingView version over here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to compute the indicators. So compute the indicators over here, followed by the computation of the indicator. I'm going to plot the indicators. Now on top of this indicator creation, I'm also going to create my own trading logic. So trading logic, and followed by the trading logic, I'm going to create the execution logic. So this execution logic talks about placing orders, right? So placing orders probably to your broker or probably to the paper account. So now let's start with the version here. So after this version, I'm going to create a strategy. I'm going to say like strategy. I'm going to create a function called strategy. I'm going to give a name to that function. I'll say like simple trading strategy. I'm just putting inside the double quotation over here, and followed by that I'm going to say like overlay equals true. So this is generally for the indicators which you want to plot on top of the candlesticks. And then I'm going to come to the indicator section. Here I'm going to bring the indicators. Let's say I'm going to call EMA1 variable over here. Inside this EMA1 I'm going to build a simple EMA close comma 20, and again EMA2 I'm going to compute EMA of close comma 50, and again EMA3 I'm going to bring EMA3 equal to EMA close comma 25. So obviously I had 3 moving average computation. I had stored in 3 different variables, EMA 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to plot those indicators as well. So I'm going to use the plot function over here to plot it. So I'm going to say like EMA 1 comma, I want to give a title equals, I want to say like EMA 20 here. Followed by that I want to give a color. So color equals, I want to say like color dot red, and line width. So I'm going to plot it a little bit thicker. So I'm going to make this line width as 2. So once, okay, line width, after done with that, let me do the same thing for other EMAs as well, EMA2 and EMA3. So make this as EMA2 and let me make this as EMA3. Title as EMA 50 here and EMA 25 over here. Color I'm gonna make it as like a red, green and probably the blue one. Okay, so the line width remains the same. Line width is equal to 2 for all the indicator plot. So let me add it to the chart. So what does TradingView does is that it compiles and then it tells me like it plots the indicator basically. So if you go to the indicator plot, it just plots the indicator. Now let me come back to the Pinescript and let me add the trading logic as well. So I'm going to go to the trading logic. I'm going to say enter long. I'm going to create a trading view variable here, kind of a Pinescript variable, which will store either true or false. So in this enter long, I'm going to say like crossover of EMA 1 comma EMA 2. Basically I'm just looking for a positive EMA crossover. Alright, so and then this is my long condition. I'm going to exit my longs if there is going to be a cross under. So you see that there are 2 functions are there, crossover. Whenever the crossover is true, it returns true, else it returns false. And cross under, what it's going to happen here is I'm going to look for when the candle closes down below EMA 3, that is EMA 25, I'm going to exit my longs over here, right? So if candle closes below 25 period SMA, 25 period EMA value. And similarly, I'm going to create my short condition as well. So I'm going to say enter short equals, I'm going to say cross under of EMA 1 comma EMA 2. So this will look for a negative EMA crossover, and followed by that enter short condition, which is nothing but which is nothing but crossover of close comma EMA 3 over here. So we are done with our trading logic. Now then we have to go with our execution logic as well. So I'm going to build my execution logic over here. To build my execution logic, I'm going to say like strategy.entry. So this is going to place an orders into my Tradingview account. So I'll say like, especially it is useful for backtesting purpose and paper trading account. So strategy.entry, I'm going to say like long, and this is the ID I'm just giving over here, so that it's a kind of an order ID, kind of a unique ID we have to provide. So I'm going to enter long over here. So I'm going to say like strategy.long. This will take a long in my account, and I'm going to mention the quantity. Quantity is like one lot. So Tradingview automatically senses that the lot size is 75, and that feature is inbuilt, and that is very interesting one. Comma when equals, when you want to enter long, especially when this condition is getting true. So I'm gonna make this condition over here. So this is a condition for long entry, and then I'm gonna close this condition. So I'm gonna use this strategy.close. I'm gonna close the position over here. Which position you want to close? Basically I want to close the long position, and that is ID you have to provide over here. And when you want to close it, you have to say like exit long condition. When this exit long condition is matching, you want to close your positions. So followed by that, I'm also going to code my short entry as well. So same way, strategy.entry of, I want to give a tag saying like short comma, so that's a label, and strategy dot short comma 1, and when equals enter short. So followed by that, I'm going to say like closing the short. I'm going to say like strategy.close. So this is like strategy.close is like kind of a square of the old position, something like that. So short comma when equal to exit short. Now we are done with the strategy over here. I hope you are able to understand what it is. Then the first thing what I have to do here is I have to add it to the charts. Automatically the compilation happens. So if there is any error, automatically it says that there is an error over here. Of course, there is a small thing over here. It's supposed to be an exit short. So fix those errors and automatically you are good to go. So exit short, save the code. And so I'm going to save it like a simple trading strategy. Let me save it, and automatically it gets added over here. Now you could see that you're able to see the buy and sell arrows where the condition, entry condition and exit conditions are matching. Not only that, you can also go to the strategy tester and you can see the live results, how the strategy is performing, and what is the overall performance summary, how much money it is making, like what is the percentage drawdown, what is the net profit which has been yielded on your capital, and what was the overall performance summary. That is what you can learn from this trading strategy. And of course, there is also an property box is there. If you go to the settings, you can control your initial capital, base currency, order sizing, pyramiding, and if case you want to enter the commissions and slippages. So Tradingview provides a comprehensive way of controlling those parameters. However, if you are specifying the size in the Pinescript editor, automatically the size is one lot, that is 75 shares of Nifty has been bought in this case. So you don't need to worry about the lot size. You just simply enter 1 for 1 lots. Automatically the profit and loss will be calculated according to 1 lot of Nifty, that is for 75 shares. From the entry and exit price, it automatically calculates and it brings the profitability over here. So I hope you are able to understand how to build a trading strategy, probably your first trading strategy if you are very new to Tradingview Pinescript. And if in case you want to join our 20+ hours of immersive course on Tradingview Pinescript Programming, I have given the link below. Don't forget to check it out. If you learned something new in this session, don't forget to comment or subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that whatever the efforts that we are making, it will be reaching you at the earliest. So see you soon in the next video with more interesting concepts. Until then, bye-bye. Thank you.